Welcome to Find Puzzle Star. Ready for a Would You Rather challenge. You have 8 seconds to choose. No pausing, no skipping. There are 10 tricky questions. Think fast. Choose wisely. Let's begin your dream setup. First up, choose your bedroom. Which one feels like home? Now it's time to rest your head. Choose your pillow. Soft, cozy, or extra fluffy. Wake up to the view you love. Choose your glass window. As night falls, set the mood. Choose your nightlight. Time to get extra comfy. Choose your bedding. Which design do you love most? Right by your side, choose your bedside table. After a long day, it's relaxation time. Choose your massage chair. Sit back and unwind. Add a little sparkle to the room. Choose your crystal statue. Morning is coming. Choose your alarm clock. Which one wakes you up gently? Final choice. Choose your toilet. Classic, cute, or totally unique. Drop your choices in the comments and tell us which room is your favorite.